So good evening.
Yeah, very good evening, sir, and very warm welcome to my session, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. What about you?
I'm also doing fantastic, sir. We are meeting very first time, sir. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you for asking me. My name is Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student as well as I'm doing a job at a school. I'm a student of honors first year. I'm doing graduation. If I talk about my hobby is talking with strangers. And
Mhm.
when I get free time, that time I try to practice my speaking English. Yeah, that's all about me. So what about you?
Mhm. Okay, that's great to know about you, sir. Okay, so I'm going to introduce myself. So yeah, as you know, my name is Amrit. I am from India. Talk about my hobbies. So I love to travel. I love to talk new people, and I love to learn new things. And I love to watch English conversation videos. And I run YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos. And now I'm in the Kuwait for the job purpose. And I did not mention my education, so I'm intermediate passer. Yeah, that's all about me. Okay.
Okay, glad to know about yourself. So, as you said, you like to travel. So, how many countries have you traveled at?
Okay. So I think I have traveled to countries.
Two country.
Saudi,
What's the
yeah,
name?
from India, Saudi, and Kuwait.
Okay. So, are you named Israel?
Yes, my name is Muhammad Israel, and I'm belongs to Muslim family.
Okay, I'm also Muslim. Glad
You
to
must
know
be
you are
also
Muslim.
Muslim. Am I right?
Yeah, I'm also Muslim. Yeah, you are right. I'm Muslim.
Mm, okay,
So,
great,
brother,
great.
which part of India are you from? Which part of India do you live?
Okay, so I belong to Bihar state.
Bihar State. Okay, Bihar State. So, what's your job? Can you share with me?
Yeah, really, actually, I'm not working in any company. Actually, my owner has some pigeons farm, so I take care pigeon farm as well as I train the pigeon. You can say I am trainer of the pigeon, and pigeon are trained. Pigeons are trained in the Kuwait, in the Gulf country. Okay, so when it comes in
Okay.
winter season, when it comes in winter season, so I train the pigeon.
Okay, I got it. So brother, are you at your home or are you at your working sector?
Now I'm in the Kuwait. I'm talking to you from the Kuwait. Okay, so now you can
Are you
say now in my now I am in my room.
okay?
This is
Okay,
my,
so
room, and this is my workplace.
okay, I got it. I got it.
My,
So
my
brother,
pigeon. Okay.
I, I would like to know about your about your speaking journey. Would you share with me? When did you start to learn speaking English, and why are you learning English?
hmm Yeah, really. Actually, I have started my English journey. Okay, one incident came in my life. After that, I started my English journey, and I started my English journey 1 year ago. Okay, so
Okay.
actually, I wanted to, purchase some clothes, and at that time, I didn't know English language, so I went, big malls, and I asked, some shopkeeper that I like this jacket. Please, you tell me how much price is this jacket. So they told me, sir, if you know English, please you can you explain me in English. At that time, I didn't know English. Okay, so I could not purchase clothes, and she told me, sir, are you Bengali and the India? Then I said, no, I'm from India. And she told me, and she pointed out me that you go there, and there are lots of Indian people that you can purchase, clothes whatever you want. So I thought, I'm educated person, and I'm not able to speak English. So why should not I learn this language? Okay. Then I started learning this language, sir. Okay. And why
Oh,
am I learning this language? So if I am able to speak English, so if I go anywhere, okay, then I am able to talk, okay, and I can make them understand. I will make them understand that what am I going to tell them, okay, and I can
okay.
speak English anywhere. Right now,
Okay.
you are from Bangladesh. I am from India. Okay, I don't
Yeah,
know
okay.
Bengali language. You don't know Hindi language, isn't it? We are talking just because of English language. Okay.
Okay.
So if I'm not learning English, so I wouldn't be talking to you.
Yes. So, brother, your native language is Hindi.
No, actually my native language is Mathili, not Hindi. Mathili.
Okay.
Mathili is
Okay.
different. Mathili is different. Bhojpuri is different, and Hindi is different.
Okay.
There are
So,
many languages in India.
how
Uh,
many languages?
yes, I know five
How,
languages.
5 languages.
Yes.
Oh my God.
So
What's the
Mathili,
name of this?
yeah. Actually, my native language is Maithili. So first of all, I am able to speak Maithili language, Hindi language, Bhojpuri language, and Arabic language, and as well as English language.
You can speak Arabic language.
Yeah, I can speak English.
God. So, brother, how did you learn Arabic?
Mhm. Okay, so before coming the Kuwait, I didn't know Arabic language. So when I came here, so my owner started, used to call me. Okay, then I that time I didn't know, so I was so confused and I was not able to understand. Then he pointed toward me that tal. So I got it. Then what does it mean tal? It means come. So I listen, okay, just and I tried to speak. I listen and try to speak. Okay. So this way we can
Okay.
say I learned Arabic language. I did not learn
You just
any grammar. We speak Arabic language.
okay. You used to listen and just try to speak. So, in this way, you learn Arabic.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
you're
when it
so genius.
because I had environment at that time and still I have environment. Okay. But when it comes to English, so I when I started learn this language, so I did not have environment and still I don't have environment. Okay.
Okay.
But
And I'm
only talk with people through this app. Mhm.
hello.
Can you say something?
I
Ali?
said I'm really surprised about 5 languages. It's really difficult for me to learn. Secondly, I'm learning my second language. It's
And
very
how many
difficult for me
languages
to
you know?
language. 5 languages. Oh my God.
Mhm. Okay, thank you for compliment me, sir. How many language do you know?
I know only 2 languages, and I understand more than 2 languages. Hindi, Urdu, I can understand very well.